Energy moves the world. From the dawn of mankind to the present day, energy has been the key to our own evolution. Securing reliable energy sources will be critical in shaping the future of society. Transport, factories, companies, communications, industries, people need energy. Your energy brings progress, and ZGR will help in making that energy more efficient and of a higher quality. Our obsession with energy efficiency and facilitating its efficient use is our end goal as a company. Your energy is our challenge.
ZGR Corporación es un grupo empresarial especializado en el diseño, fabricación, implantación y mantenimiento de soluciones para la gestión integral de la energía eléctrica. Fabricantes desde 1998, en este momento somos un referente internacional en electrónica de potencia, especialmente en el desarrollo de fuentes de alimentación seguras para las redes de distribución en general, pero preparadas para la transición hacia nuevas redes de distribución inteligentes. Sistemas que garantizan la calidad del suministro eléctrico a los consumidores, sistemas de almacenamiento que sirven tanto para complementar la generación de electricidad como para dar servicios de regulación a la red de distribución y sistemas de conversión de energía solar que permiten su inyección a la red de distribución y también el autoconsumo directo por parte de los consumidores. En general, cualquier proceso de conversión de la energía eléctrica para mejorar su calidad, la eficiencia y su disponibilidad en el consumo y habilitar nuevas aplicaciones de la misma.
ZGR's operations are essential for other companies. We provide tailor-made solutions for the generation, transmission, distribution, consumption of energy, and maintenance of electrical equipment and installations. We guarantee high-quality, cost-effective electricity management across the entire value chain. We facilitate the use of clean and sustainable energy. Our current work contributes towards building the energy of the future. We work on 5 continents from our headquarters in Vitoria, Spain, with centers in Madrid and Valencia, and offices we own in Mexico and Colombia, ZGR Energy in Bogotá, and ZGR Mexico in Mexico City, each with their own staff. Our branches offer engineering services and technical training, electrical facilities auditing, installation, commissioning, technical support, and maintenance of our solutions for all of Latin America. From Bogotá, we serve all of South and Central America, whilst our offices in Mexico provide support for opportunities and customers located in that country. We also have local agents and suppliers in many countries in the area, with in excess of 1,000 megawatts installed. We are firmly committed to innovation and devote more than 10% of our annual revenue to technological research. Over the past 2 decades, we have worked on over 1,000 projects in collaboration with our customers. Our solutions meet the energy demands of the most sophisticated and demanding industrial environments, in remote and off-grid locations, or in extreme temperature and altitude conditions. Reliable and robust solutions in the new context of distributed energy and smart grids. We are experts when it comes to hybrid energy storage technology. Our experience allows us to design tailor-made, modular, and flexible solutions. As a manufacturer, we stand out through our customized technical service, which is characterized by extensive technical training, autonomy, rapid response, flexibility, and a strong sense of vocation and culture. We are also characterized by our ongoing search for partnerships to explore new business models based on the technologies we are proficient in. The human team at ZGR dreams of a future with an uninterrupted, incident-free, and safe electricity supply that allows for maximum savings to be made with regard to energy use and which also drives advanced smart infrastructures. We have reinvented ourselves to form a company made up of expert, flexible, transparent, optimistic, and inclusive people. We take the lead through knowledge, experience, and authenticity. We optimize every facility performance with robust, highly efficient, and highly productive solutions. We guarantee optimum management of electrical energy across its entire chain. At ZGR, we work for your energy, because your energy is our challenge.